I will show you how you can make over $1,000 a day with AI. I need you to stop what you're doing and watch this video. Today I'm going to show you how to get started earning money with AI. In just a few seconds I'll also show you proof how to begin doing this as a complete beginner. AI influencers are gonna hate me for sharing this with you. For some reason not a lot of people are talking about this side hustle, but in my opinion this is one of the easiest ways that you can use ChatGPT and AI technology in order to make money online as a complete beginner in 2023. Make sure you share this video with someone who you know are looking to earn money with ChatGPT. Welcome to my channel. If you want new tips and tactics on how to make money online on a regular basis, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a huge thumbs up, and please don't hesitate to leave a comment down below if you have any questions or comments about this method. Okay, let's get right into it. So Kiddle.com is a graphic design tool with hundreds of thousands of templates for you to choose from, and usually these designs require some insane graphic design skills, but now anyone can use them. Easily customize them and make money online off of this design and use them in many different ways. And one of the best things about Kiddle is that they not only have thousands of templates for you to choose from, but they also have AI technology integrated into this tool as well. So if you go to Kiddle and you create an account, you can click a new project right over here, and that's going to start a brand new project for you. Now before we actually start using these templates in order to make money online, what you want to do is you want to open up ChatGPT and you want to sign up for it. It's a completely free AI tool, so you don't necessarily need to pay for it. But what you want to do is you want to ask ChatGPT for the best and then enter any type of genre books, whether that's the best 10 fitness books, the best 10 business books, the best 10 how to make money online books, whatever that might be. I'm going to go with best 10 fitness books, and it's going to give me a list of these best books that I can read. Now I'm not going to read them myself, I'm going to use them to make money online, and what we want to do is, well, we just want to check if these books that were recommended is available. For example, I'm going to copy the title and the author from the first one from ChatGPT and see if it is available on Audible. Audible is a platform where people can listen to these audiobooks, so we just want to see if that is available. And as you can see, we have this first one by Michael Matthews. We have this book over here available on Audible, which is Amazon's company. If we go back, we can also check if the other books are here as well. Let's see if this book is also available on Audible. Let's go and search for this book. Yes, this book is available as well, which is very, very good. So you just want to test if any of those books that ChatGPT gave to you are available on Audible. And once again, this can be in any genre. It doesn't need to be a book about rocket science. It can be about romance, finance. It can be about cooking, gaming, whatever you want. So I'm going to use this book as an example, and what I am going to do as well is I am going to copy this title and the author name again, and then I'm going to go back and I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write a 2,000-word summary of the book, and then I am going to paste the name and the author name as well, and now ChatGPT will generate an entire summary of 2,000 words for this book, which is absolutely insane. So I am also going to wait for it. It's going to take a couple of seconds. I'm going to continue generating because this is a very long article the ChatGPT is generating for me. And here it is. Here's an entire article, a 2,000 words post that was generated entirely by ChatGPT for free. And I can copy that with one press of a button. Now what you want to do is go back to Kiddle, and then you want to press on this button over here, which is Kiddle AI. This is their AI technology where you can describe what you want AI to generate for you, and it will be generated. So I can go back to ChatGPT to see what each paragraph is about. For example, we have muscle losing fat and achieving a strong and fit physique. So I'm just going to copy strong and fit physique. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go back to Kiddle AI. I'm going to enter that, and I'm going to click on generate this image. So I just enter a prompt what I want to see. So for each of these paragraphs generated by ChatGPT, I want to generate a unique AI image with Kiddle.com. And here we have one image over here. You can fully customize it. You can change things. If you don't like it, you can add more designs. You can even remove background and so much more. I'm going to upscale it throughout this entire template, and again this is entirely generated by ChatGPT, which is pretty cool because it makes it a little bit creepy and it makes people look at it even more because some parts don't even make that much sense, which is going to be very good for helping you get even more clicks and make even more money. And you will see exactly how now. Of course you can add more text, you can add headlines, and you can insert all of these different designs, which is going to look really cool with your AI generated images. But I am not going to do that for now. I'm just going to generate the image with this tool, and I'm going to click on download to download this to my computer. So I'm going to download this for digital use, and it's going to be onto my computer. Now once you generate an image for every single one of these paragraphs, you just find something that's interesting from the paragraph you copied, then you go back to Kittl, you generate that image. You can customize the designs you saw. There's a bunch of different templates that you can choose from, and once you have all these different designs and images, what you want to do next is go back to Audible. But now you want to join the Audible affiliate program, because Audible pays you $5 when someone creates a free account through your referral link, and that person can get some book for free. They can actually get 2 books for free if they sign up through a link, and you get paid $5, and then they actually continue paying, you get paid another $10. But the point is you can give away this book that you found for free, and you are going to be paid $5 for that. So what you want to do now is create an account on Audible affiliate program. Once you become an affiliate, you just want to copy your entire article from ChatGPT, then go to medium.com, which is a platform that's being visited by over 100 million people every single month. So you can get a lot of traffic. You want to create an account, you want to click on write, and then you want to write the summary of that book. So I'm just going to paste this from ChatGPT, and the title is going to be summary, and then I'm going to paste the title of this book. So summary of this book by Michael Matthews, and then below these paragraphs, I just want to insert an image that was generated by Kittl. So for each paragraph I'm going to insert a different image. So this is going to be the first image. Once again, you can customize it, you can add text to make it more engaging, and below each paragraph you just continue inserting your images generated by Kittl, and this is obviously going to help you make these articles far more engaging, which is going to boost the read-through time, which is obviously going to help you rank higher and get more people to read them and click on your affiliate links. So what you want to do as well, because someone is reading the summary of this book, you also want to insert a call to action, which could be Get Bigger, Leaner, Stronger by Michael Matthews for free here. Then I'm going to highlight this part, click on bold to make it stand out, then just insert your affiliate link from Audible so that they can get that book for free from Audible. And you'll be paid $5 per person, so you don't need to sell anything in order to make money with this method. And because if someone is reading a summary of this book, they're probably thinking about buying this book. But now they can see that they can get it for free if they sign up through the links, so it's a no-brainer, and you just want to copy the same call to action and paste it between multiple of these paragraphs just in case someone missed it in the first part. And of course make sure you do it at the end as well, so you want to enter all of those, and below each paragraph you have a different image to make it even more engaging, so people stick through it even longer, helping you reach more people and make more money online with this ChatGPT side hustle. All you got to do right now is publish this onto medium.com to get all those people to see. Now you just want to continue doing this with as many different books, because you can generate unlimited summaries with ChatGPT, and you can find pretty much endless amount of books in Audible, and you can share all of those on medium.com, and you can tell people that they can get them for free if they sign up through the link. This is not going to work if you just posted one article and that's it. You have to put in a little work before you start to roll in those big bucks. You need to post at least 5, 10, 15, or 20 articles every single day for you start getting some traction and start ranking higher on Google, and to start attracting those clicks so that you can actually make money online with this ChatGPT method. So the more you post, the more your chances increase to make more money. I hope you found some valuable tips in this tutorial video, and that's all there is to it. Before I leave, be sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video on how to make money online, or new innovative strategies to achieve financial freedom, and you can get started right away. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and don't be hesitant to leave a comment down below if you have any questions or comments about it. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.